There we go, finished. Apart from the stupid gear the brake and clutch levers, but other than that, it's now done and ready. Well, I still haven't got the tyres, obviously. I've never even used these tyres. They were put on there when I bought it. Well, I've never actually used the bike. I bought the bike, brought it home, changed the fairings. Apparently it had a brand new tyre put on the back, but again, it's been off the trailer and down to the bike shop and back again, that's it. So, not actually used it. So, annoyingly, I've got a brand new back tyre there that's never going to be used. The front one's pretty much, I don't know what it is. It's probably still got a fair bit on it, but yeah, again, I'm not going to use it. So, that's it. It's actually done, and all the fairings are now, as best I can get them fitted. They're fitted. Got that bottom bit in. It was a real labour of love getting that in, but cutting a few holes differently and things, I managed to do it. So yeah, that is now ready to have some tyres, and yeah, I'll be really itching to use it. I'm not sure what it's going to go like. It seems okay on the when I rode it back from the bike shop. It was when it had all the road gear on it. It seemed to go okay, but it's hard to tell. You know, it's just on freeway and then city road, so won't know really until we go to the track and see if it's all right. But it's not got the power commander on it like my other one does. So yeah, it might be a bit flat on the mid-range, because I remember when I didn't have the power commander on the other one, it was sort of flat in the middle. When you get it on cam, it was all right, but so yeah, we'll wait and see. Anyway, that's just the update. See you later.